Hi, Professor McCullough here, and today we're going to talk about subtotals. Subtotals is a topic that is covered in Module 5 of your textbook, so you'll find good information there. But it was the one part of our last assignment we didn't do so well on, so I thought it would be good to go over it one more time in video form so you can go back over this as many times as you might want to. So this is from the seminars workbook, which you worked with recently on assignment 3. So you have access to this file if you like. And what you're looking at is a sheet with subtotals I've already made from the basic seminars workbook, worksheet, I should say. So here we go. And as you see, what I have done is I've said, hey, we got a lot of different instructors. What's the average amount that each instructor is charging for his or her class? So you just have the information and it is sorted by instructor. And then under each instructor, we have a figure for the average amount that they're charging for each class. Maybe we want to make sure everybody is more or less in line with what they are charging. So here's Khan, it's the last name apparently, and then her average is 617 per class. Connor coming in at 831, etc. So this is what we are going to be building towards. And as you see, it's like a 3-4 step process. So let's go back to the original seminars worksheet. It looks like this. Okay? This is not yet a table. And we know that we want to sort things by instructor, right? We want to have the instructors all grouped together so that we can provide a subtotal for their classes. So in order to sort, the first thing that we want to do is to turn this into a table. You do that by going to Insert, and boom, right there, drop down, table is an option. It will usually cleverly guess where you want your table. It has the correct dimensions here. And we note that we do have headers, right? We've got all these categories of our fields listed here. So it's good that that is checked. We click OK, and it gives us to us in a nice format. Of course, we could always change that if we want it to look different. Let's go with the light blue. Why not? If we want to sort, we do so by clicking on this pull-down menu. Under the category that we are interested in, we want to be sorted by instructor, and the sorts are in the top part of the menu. The filter stuff is down here. We want to sort from A to Z, so that's ascending. We click that. And if we look, we now have Con altogether and then Connor Flores. So we are successfully sorted. We can close down that menu. Okay, so now that we created a table, now we actually want to undo that. And this is the part that I think confuses people. So converting from a table means converting to a range. We are saying that there is no association necessarily as you go along a row. It's not necessarily a grouped set of data. It is, but in order to engage in the subtotal, we have to temporarily convert to range. So we do that. It says, are you sure you want to do that? We do. Click yes. Now it's not a table anymore. Okay, so from here it's very easy. Just one more step. We go to the data tab and we have subtotal over here on the far right. We click OK, and I think this is the other step that confuses people. All right, so what we want is as we are going down, as soon as you reach the end of an instructor, we want a subtotal there for the cost. So that's what we need to be thinking about as we go through this menu. I think a lot of people jump down here, but you're going to want to change each one of these pull downs as well in order to get the subtotal. So at each change in instructor, right? At each change in the instructor along this table, we want there to be a break. So, and you could do some, but we said at the beginning we're looking for the average amount charged by each instructor, and what is it that we're averaging? It's not the max, it's the cost that they're charging for each class. So you need to change this, and then this, and then this. Replace current subtotals. We don't have any, but that's okay. And a summary below the data, that would be what is the average of all the courses. So that's nice to have. We click OK, and then now we've done it, right? You've got all of the courses taught by Khan, and then Khan's average. Ooh, yes, when you take averages, oftentimes you get big ugly decimals. So we'll quickly fix that. We'll select for this column, and then we'll go to Home, which is where we can adjust our formatting. Let's make it accounting, and that's not bad. It gives us the cents. If we wanted to, we could remove the cents and just make it an even dollar figure. Okay, so there you go, subtotals, guaranteed topic for the exam. So you want to make sure you know how to do this. That is all. Good luck.